acrylic series where I'm learning acrylics, as you see. I am not a nail tech. I do not know what I'm doing half the time. I'm just practicing to learn. This white is really gunking my brush up. So I don't know if you can see it in the brush, but I surely can. Okay, we're going to go back in. As you see, we'll have definitely some filing to do on this nail. Get us a little bead. Yeah, I don't know about. Oh, here's another hair. Ugh. I am not seeing any more hairs coming out. I am going to change my monomer though. With using the the clear and white mixture, it gets gunked up real quick. The white, oh shoot, the white does it to my monomer. It's just really cloudy. It makes it real cloudy real quick, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna swap. We are gonna try do these last two nails on camera. Not sure if I've said this before, but if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified. Oh, when you click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Normally I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday, as you see, is my acrylic series. Saturday I do reviews and nail art. Saturday I do She Modern Saturday. So if you search for one of my Saturday videos, that's what you'll get. She Modern Saturday. Boy. So I hope you subscribe. I hope you click all and watch some of my videos, get caught up with us. I don't know, I'm not liking these nails, they're too wide. Let me go with a really tiny bead here. I see I got some up on the cuticle area. That's not good. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. Dilemmas. think I might skip the fourth nail or maybe just try and do it. I'm going to try and walk down the nail. And I'm rinsing my brush in some acetone lightly to clean it out. Back in the monomer. Keep it out of the nail. Whoops. Whoopsie. We still have filing to do in this other color. I don't know. I'm not liking any of these nails. This is probably the best one I see so far. I just don't like the way any of them look. I really want to go in with this color here. Oopsie. This is not going well. This is going to be a big fail here. A big old fail. You got color over here and not over in the other half of the nail, which is not. Whoops. Shoot. Love the color. Love this color. Wish I would have dug this out long ago. Well, I'm back as you see. The nails are done as you see. And unfortunately, I forgot to hit the record button as I finished putting the acrylic on. I got all done. I was chit-chatting away with you, and I looked at the camera and it's on pause. OMG. But the nails are set. This one I've already filed on. So we're gonna start over here. Always start with your sidewalls. Do your length last. I cannot believe I was doing that. These are squared off nails. I'm going to keep them as such. I think I did okay by the cuticle area. But the nail still looks pretty wide to me. And it's this side over here. Let me take this off. Back up Harley Marie. And do some filing off the hand. Trying not to file my own nails. So I'm not trying to file those away. They're kind of short as it is right now. Had some filing issues. Oh, we have some white show here. That's not good. File the length. Make sure we got that. Go in with our ring finger. Whoops. Having filing issues here. Definite filing issues. This side looks kind of okay, this side not so much. I do want to take this nail out because I do have some acrylic on my plexi hand. I want to get that off. My thoughts on the brush. Let me talk about that so I can do this as I'm filing. I do like the brush. I'm pleasantly surprised. I have a Modelones brush which has the glitter and all that in it, and I was pretty skeptical. Okay, I was very skeptical because I thought it was going to perform like that, and I was not happy with my Modelones brush. And that's why I thought it was going to perform, and it did, and to perform beautifully. I had no problems, no qualms. I highly recommend the Beetles acrylic brush. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs. Gotta give it 2 thumbs up. It performed beautifully. Very happy with it. I should put this back on the nail and file it, not off. I'm not learning anything that way. Oops. Not learning anything that way. Ooh, this file is becoming torn up. Let me get... I'm going to bring this in here, see if this will smooth out what areas I need. Ooh, my hand is starting to cramp. I don't remember what nail I was on. Okay, we got one nail left to do. I gotta watch my time. The editing program I use, yeah, it's around 15 minutes. So I gotta, you know, restart. So I gotta pay attention to that. I'm gonna cheat here. Whoopsie. You can see here's where I glued the nail to my flexi hand. I'm so upset about that. Please don't laugh. Greatly upsets me. Greatly upsets me. Well, hope you're following along here with me on the video. For those of you that are learning too, please click the like button. Please click share so that others who are learning can check out my videos. If you are new, please subscribe. Click all. And what else? What else is there? I have a text message. That's not important right now. Let's take a gander. Not too bad. I'm gonna swipe over them with some alcohol to get all the dust off. So I can get a better view. Oops. And there we go. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Put some of my nails. I ended up filing the color off there. That's unfortunate. I don't think I did that bad of a job. They're not perfect by any means. Well, we have come to the end of our video. I think this is where you would top coat your nails and move on. But this is the end of our video for today. We put the acrylic on our chips, and I need practice. Filed the color off there as well. Let me check out my apexes, which some of them don't have. That's something I need to work on. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe. Please, you know, be there, be supportive, and I appreciate all you that support my channel. I greatly appreciate you, and I love each and every one of you. But this is where I bid you a fair adieu. Have a blessed day, and thank you.